That even though you listen to our voice, but still you feel your body is into deep rest. Your body is into a deep resting phase. At this deep relaxation, you think one positive thought for yourself. Whatever positive thought. If somebody was not sleeping, you imagine that you will sleep very well now onwards. And if you have pain in your back, neck, knee, tell yourself that the pain is getting reduced. If your relationship is not so strong, imagine that your bonding or love is becoming stronger and stronger. Even if you don't wish anything, the body is so much deeply relaxed that it starts healing itself. The healing mind starts working when our thinking mind reduces. Very slowly and gently you are coming back to body consciousness. You are being aware of your breathing. You are being aware of your body lying down in this yoga hall. Slowly and gently move your toes and fingers. Be alert and awake at the back of your closed eyes. Very slowly and gently turn towards one side of the body. But throughout the practice, keep your eyes closed.
继续，可以闭双眼。
Very slowly and gently, with the support of both the hands, palms, come to sitting posture.
然后慢慢支撑起身体，坐起来。
Those who are lying down, let them lie down, no problem.
还想躺着就躺着吧，没有问题。
Those who are lying down, don't disturb them, let them come back slowly.
回过神的，继续让他躺着吧。
Very slowly and gently, come to sitting posture with eyes closed.
继续闭着双眼。
Keep your eyes closed and think for a moment what was the experience which just now I undergone.
去感受一下刚才感受了些什么。
The experience was something like a deep sleep or a dream stage.
刚才像一个很深沉的睡眠。
So this is a way I use the mind to calm down and work on the body to heal the body.
这是在调动身体充分的治愈能力。
Very slowly and gently rub your hands towards each other.
慢慢的将双手托起大家自己的手。
Massage onto your face, forehead,
用手心贴脸、
cheek, chin,
下巴、额头、
front of your body, neck,
颈、
back,
牛、背。
and if you are having knee pain, gently massage onto the knees.
拖着手，放
Very slowly and
垫
gently,
上，
adopting Namaskara Mudra, 1 Om, 3 Shanti Mantras.
行10里和10里，
Adopt Namaskara Mudra,
和10里。
Swichi, Om. Slowly and gently you come back to complete consciousness. Be alert and awake completely.
慢慢的将意识带回到身体，可以缓缓的回过神来，睁开眼睛，看看四周。我